I'm Dr. Frederick Claussen. I practice in Wayzata, Minnesota, and I specialize in Advanced Allergy Therapeutics. I have my DC degree, Doctor of Chiropractic, since 1983. So I've been practicing for over 40 years, and I've been doing Advanced Allergy Therapeutics since 2007. I have a number of patients that had allergy symptoms, whether seasonal allergies, that would be stuffed up nose, sneezing, itchy eyes, runny nose, and wanted to be able to address that. Also helping people with food problems, whether or not it's actually an allergy, we call it adverse reaction. So we work with people that had trouble with dairy products, grains, sugar, different types of foods, and that's been very successful for the last 17 years. I used to use homeopathic remedies, herbal things, and didn't find that it worked as well. So I wanted to get into something new, and that's why I was interested in Advanced Allergy Therapeutics. Well, it's become the biggest part of my practice, and I get referrals from other patients. I get referrals from other chiropractors, referrals from medical doctors. So I guess that's a metric that's changed. Prior to Advanced Allergy Therapeutics, I used to take a lot of insurance for chiropractic work, and now the AAT work is all cash-based, which is nice. People are very willing to pay the fees. I think I'm very reasonable from what I hear from other practices. So that has made a big difference in my practice in going more cash-based. Or we're treating symptoms of adverse reactions, digestive problems, seasonal allergies, things like that. So that's been very helpful in that regard, that I've gotten a lot of new patients that I wouldn't have had before. So there was a learning curve. I think that overall, though it was pretty straightforward, we have a lot of support in the learning, and we get updates on the program about yearly. So I would say that it's not very hard to learn to other practitioners or to clients. A lot of patients that I see come to me and they say, I've tried so many other things that didn't work, and I'm frustrated, and I heard that AAT was very effective, so that's why I'm here. And so I get mostly referrals. When I first started, I did some advertising, but now I feel like I don't need to do that anymore. And as far as the practitioners go, I think it's a very good addition to just about any type of practice, because there are so many people out there with allergy-type symptoms that do need some help. So I would recommend it to other practitioners also. One thing I didn't mention is that I do work with a lot of children. Sometimes people are hesitant to bring a child to a chiropractor because they're afraid we're going to, as people say, crack your bones. And there's none of that involved with AAT. It's a very gentle treatment. The children like it, and we're very effective with symptoms like colic, different food reactions, seasonal allergies, and I even treat babies, which is a very rewarding type thing to do, to help a baby with colic, because when babies have colic, nobody sleeps at night, so we're able to help that. I've helped children with allergies to pets, and that's been very rewarding. Families want to have a pet, and they might have one child that's allergic to the cat or the dog, and then we can treat for that, and then the whole family gets to have their pet. I even had one patient bring the dog to my clinic to introduce me to the new family member. They were all very excited to have a dog. So those are fun cases to work with.